How to share PowerPoint presentation as PDF to email. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Now choose the document that you want to share. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on it and now go to the top here, click on this share option here in the top corner, and now click on the full document right here. Now click on PDF and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. Now here you will find the email option. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.